Do you have ugly roof stains? Well, you're not alone. These ugly roof stains have become an epidemic across the United States. Algae, mold, moss, and lichen can be cleaned safely without the use of high-pressure cleaning equipment. Liberty SoftWash offers a safe and effective cleaning process called soft washing, which will completely sterilize your roof to eliminate the algae and mold growth without the use of a pressure washer or agitation by brush. Using a pressure washer or brush to clean a roof will remove protective granules, shortening the life of your roof. Additionally, pressure washing alone will not kill the algae at the root, which is needed to achieve long-lasting results. Since we are able to completely eliminate the algae at its roots, our cleaning will last 4 to 6 times longer than traditional cleaning methods. This bulletin is from GAF, the manufacturer of a popular line of shingles. In this bulletin, they outline a cleaning process, which is their recommended technique for cleaning an asphalt shingled roof. Liberty SoftWash follows these guidelines and are able to safely and effectively return your roof to a like-new appearance. With Liberty SoftWash, you can feel secure that the company cleaning your roof is following the manufacturer's guidelines. This same soft wash cleaning technique can be used on all your home's exterior surfaces, such as vinyl siding, dry-vit, stucco, and more. Call Liberty SoftWash today for a free exterior cleaning estimate. We service South Central Pennsylvania and Northern Maryland. Our telephone number is 717-578-5342, or just visit our website at libertysoftwash.com.